Today we have a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is Gen Z Girls Get Busted After Armed Robbery.
Being chased by the officers is a U.S. Postal Service SUV that was stolen at gunpoint a week ago. What officers had no clue about was that sitting in the front seats were young girls who were possibly armed, and one of them was even a juvenile.
They took out the driver's side tire. Public library.
They really think they're gonna get away in that SUV.
Approaching South Avenue, stand by. It's gonna be a left. They're gonna bail out. Crossing over Main Street, 25 miles an hour, right traffic.
Where are you? Make this left.
Uh-oh, they gonna start bailing. Oh, they gonna start bailing.
Summit Street, Summit Street.
Oh yeah, yeah. What you think you was doing? This guy right here, man. He was the easiest one. You would think. Look, she's slow. This guy, she's slow. The other guy, he too cool for school. You know what I mean? Look at this guy. She's slow. She gonna get caught. Too cool for school. Get right here. Oh, girls is caught. Oh, hold on. Oh, this must be one of the guys. Oh no, that's the girl.
Put your hand behind your back. That's the
yeah,
driver.
she caught.
Yep.
Oh, that was the driver? Oh, yeah.
You have a gun on you? You have a gun on you?
He caught. He ain't go nowhere. He ain't go nowhere. Let's see.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Now. Get on the ground.
Damn. He ain't had nowhere to go.
Got
It's
anything on you?
over with.
No. Where are we? What we got on you? Anything? We'll pat you down, all right? You want to do it? You want to do a pat down? Yeah, sure. Do you have a gun on you? Tell us now. You ready? 1, 2, 3 to your knees. Go. Let's search it first. Stand up. Stand up. Who's got the gun? Right. Get up. Come on. You ready? Nope. Anything?
Nah, he's good. He's got his phone.
All right. All right. I'll check him one more time. We'll put him in the car.
Sounds good.
You want to hold on to him?
Yeah.
How many are at large? How many bail do we don't have? We got a female?
One at large?
We got 2. There's 4, I think.
Go that way to the stop sign. Did he have a blue one right there?
You still have one in custody? How many came out of the car? He said 4. Was it 3 or 4? He said 4. Was there a 4th one, Nick? I don't think so. He says he doesn't think there was a 4th.
No, there might not be.
Yeah, so what we store.
You said 3 on the air.
Yeah,
You
but
saw you said 3
I
heads.
saw 3 heads in the car while we were driving, but that doesn't mean 4 didn't pop out.
Why was you guys running?
Who's got a car? Patrol car. This is mine. I don't know if anyone's in it. Pat him down. Pat him down. Let's secure in this car. Vargas. Oh, yeah.
I got his thing right here.
Although the officers had successfully captured 3 suspects, the dashcam view revealed that there were actually 4 of them who got out of the vehicle. However, at the moment, officers were not sure how many of them had been inside the SUV and were very close to concluding the arrests, not knowing the missing suspect was hiding in plain sight just a few feet away.
Let's put this guy in the car. We'll put her in the car. I'll get a female checker. Check her, okay?
All right. Well, I mean, she doesn't appear to have anything on her, so.
Can I get my shoes?
Where's your shoes? Front seat where you were driving, right? Yeah. You're not a very good driver, I have to be honest with you.
What's that? One's up this way. Walk one.
I keep my ID, please.
What's your name?
Three.
How many people were in the car, honestly? There's at least 3.
Listen, if you want to help yourself, listen, ma'am, miss, hello. Look at me for a second. This is Sergeant Muriel. I'm Sergeant Percy, Detective Lutz. If you want to help yourself, okay? Okay, for anything today, for our safety, how many people in the car? And is there a weapon in the car? Okay, so I haven't seen the car. I want to take it headquarters, okay? You're being placed under arrest right now, okay?
I made contact with the car to trap him in the car.
This is armed robbery. You prevented a bailout. That was a good job.
I didn't smash
That was a
into
good
it. I
job.
just
No, right. You prevented a bailout. That's a good job. We good.
Okay. All right. So I can move it.
There's no accident here. The Star does not see the crash that occurred. Okay. The victim was there in the car. There's no accident here.
accident?
Yeah, I mean, they didn't like smash into the back of him. They just trying to squeeze and kind of bumped both sides of the car.
So it was a bump.
Yeah, I mean, they went through pretty fast, but
And they were only doing 25, 30 miles.
sometimes, yeah, it was a terrible driver.
She was driving?
She was driving.
Luckily, a woman in one of the civilian cars parked at the scene had seen everything and knew where the last suspect was hiding.
I see other girl in the car.
She went in here?
Yeah, we don't down corner here.
Right in there?
Yeah, the other girl.
She's saying that there was a girl that went in here.
That's all we got.
She said that there was another girl that went in here. Really? Get out.
Low 14, we got one more suspect over here.
Who's got cuffs? Cuffs!
I got you.
What's going on? What were you doing? Checking a radiator?
Wow. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Latina. No, wait. I'm pretty sure. Wait, I gotta hear the accent.
I see other girl in the car.
Yeah. Snitch. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yo, that was a good hiding spot, man. I'm not gonna lie. They would have never caught that. Never caught that. They didn't even know how many left. Good job for that good Samaritan right there, man.
Get out.
Low 14, we got one more suspect over here.
Who's got cuffs? Cuffs!
I got you.
What's going on? What were you doing? Checking a radiator?
I actually do remember seeing her now. She came out with the other one.
Oh shit. Oh, what he said? He said, "What was you doing? What's going on? What was you?" He said, "What was you doing? Checking the radiator?" Oh my god. Oh my God, that's so funny. What's he doing? Checking the radiator?
What are you doing? Checking the radiator?
I actually do remember seeing her now. She came out with the other one. She did a good job. Hiding, yeah. Good job, Tom.
Well, thank God.
I got a few more.
Just check under here, please.
Here. Can you search it real quick?
Good job, man. Thank you.
She's got a wad of money on her.
Confirm that plate, please, that you have there. This is Lima Kilo Delta 93.
Is it?
100 with a bunch of signatures, but...
Stand by. That's our property, all right? Keep that with me.
You got no other car with her?
Nothing. I got my own.
No. None recovered.
No.
Good job. Go for a dog?
Well, Elbo's saying that there was no gun now. So that's why we're not going crazy, but, you know.
It's crazy. Now that I see it, bro, I remember like for a split second, they both came off. They did come off.
Were they? I went like this at the corner, and I saw you by yourself. I'm like, let me go that way.
All 4 suspects were charged with receiving stolen property and resisting arrest by flight. Additionally, Kana was charged with eluding police. As per the latest reports, the investigation is currently active, and if found guilty, Kana could be looking at 10 years in prison along with fines up to $150,000, while the other 3 could possibly face up to 5 years in prison and fines up to $15,000. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen.
Wow. Good Samaritan, man. The guys resisting arrest and eluding. Yeah, honestly, if the guys would have just been like, the guys should have just been like, they shouldn't have tried to run. They should have just been like, I'm not the driver. Like, I didn't know what was going on. Like, you know, and they wouldn't have got hit like that. Honestly. Damn. Yeah, that's crazy, man. Anyways, yeah, these guys, just a bunch of knuckleheads, man. Oh, well. Hopefully jail will teach you a lesson. Anyways, especially for the driver and all that stuff. Yeah, she's looking at some serious stuff, man. Anyways, yeah, the cops, I gotta say, they get like a 4 because they didn't know if it was 3 or 4, and the Good Samaritan had to step in, man. She did an amazing job. Hopefully, you know, they should do something nice for her, man. Get her a little something, a little card, thank you, something, man. Or get her a sticker, you know what I mean? You know how the cops got the stickers on they window, on their windshield or whatever, so that way other cops don't give them parking tickets and stuff. You know, hook her up, man. Hook her up. She did her job, man. She did her thing. She ain't have to do that. Okay? She could have just had y'all walking around looking all, oh, we got them all. You know, like Pokemon. Gotta catch them all. You know what I mean? But no. Anyway, she did that. Good Samaritan, man. Cops get a 4. Good Samaritan, 5. And the rest is history, man. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.